So you have your Moodle course, but you want to check or change your enrollment code. We're going to use the same administration tab that we do for things like resetting our course. So we'll come over here to the administration tab, open our users menu, come down to enrollment methods, and we want to make sure there's something called Self Enrollment. I'm going to delete that for the moment to show you what to do if it's not there. When you come into your enrollment methods, you may only see manual enrollments, and that means that you have to add it yourself. In order to add self-enrollment, use the drop-down menu and select self-enrollment. If this changes, this custom instance name changes, and I've seen it change to my username in the past, put self-enrollment back in there. Enable existing enrollments? Yes. Allow new enrollments? Yes. Enrollment key? It's whatever you select. I'm going to unmask it, and then I'm going to create a new one for this year. I'm going to use my birthday. It's a word that kids are familiar with knowing how to spell. I'm not using technical language that might confuse them. I'm not going to put something like diribonucleic acid and say, see, isn't that cute? I'm a biology teacher. I'm going to use something familiar and easy for them to type. You always have control over the users, so if somebody adds your class that doesn't belong there, you can easily delete them. And then default assigned role should be student. Do not change the enrollment duration. You're going to be tempted to say something like 180 days or 186 days, but this counts weekends too. So unless you're prepared to tell it exactly how many days, including all of the potential added days from missed days because of snow days, just don't even bother with enrollment duration. When the course is over, you can always reset your course very easily without automatically kicking kids out. So I recommend you don't waste your time on that. You can enable the start date of your course if you wish. I always set it to a day or two before when I'm actually working on it, just to make sure nobody gets locked out. Don't unenroll inactive after a certain date. It's just another setting that you really don't need to bother with. You can add a custom welcome message if you wish, but I've never found that that's particularly necessary. When you're done with all of your settings and you remember, what was my enrollment key again? Oh yes, I'll check the unmask button to turn that back off. It's October 15. Then I'm going to come down and say add method. It now goes into my enrollment methods menu as self-enrollment. If I want to check what the settings are, what was my enrollment key again? All I have to do is come to my enrollment methods, click on edit, and then scroll down and click on unmask, and there's my enrollment key. Okay. I hope that helps, and if you have any other questions or concerns, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.